Hi guys, this is Jot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to, let's say, deep clean or clean more thoroughly the wheels and tires. Sometimes I do this way off camera because obviously when I'm testing products, I do something completely different just to be able to show different scenarios. But normally that's how I would do. Of course, you can do more, you can do less, you can use different products. This one is going to be one way. Normally, I don't really like voiceovers, but I might pull myself together and do some voiceover, or in case I decide not to, then I might put it, if I want to say something further, as a text on screen. You will see or hear which one happened. And then at the very end, we will sum it up. Let's roll.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. My kingdom on lockdown. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. for more egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead to let me smile from for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. I don't wanna sabotage. You're a million. Explode every time you go and slam the door. Adore how we always end up on the floor. We know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead to let me smile from for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya. I don't wanna sabotage. You're a million. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead to let me smile from for all I care.
Alrighty, boys and girls, so that was, well, let's not call it like a deep wheel cleaning, but a more advanced rather wheel cleaning. Of course, you can do considerably more. I could have used like an acidic wheel cleaner at the end, but as these wheels had no water spots or any mineral contamination, I didn't have to use an acidic wheel cleaner. Of course, I could have removed the wheels, clean it on the inside, the barrel, remove any glue or tar residue, or to clean the spokes on the inside. And if I have done all those, by the way, I have those kind of videos also on the channel. But if I have done all those, then I could have applied a ceramic coating or any kind of like a wheel ceramic or whatever, but I didn't. I think it was thorough enough. For this particular case, the result was very nice. Of course, if the wheel was removed, I could have cleaned the tire on the inside and apply tire shine on that one too, or tire protection or rubber protectant, whatever, call it whatever you want. Anywho, other than that, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.